Welcome back and good morning. Our friend Kurt Pearson is in with us this morning from Compass Financial Group.
And Kurt, the new jobs report is coming out tomorrow. Most people are expecting unemployment to be on the rise again. Any other new economic information that you know about?
Well, unfortunately, you have to search really high and low to try to find anything positive in the economic news front. A couple of things that the market is also trying to digest is housing inventories. They seem to be still at a pretty high rate, pretty high pace. But another thing that's kind of working in the background with housing inventories is HUD has an inventory of homes because of repossessions and because of foreclosures. And HUD is trying to figure out, okay, do we try to leak these houses back onto the market, or do we do it in one fell swoop? If they did it all at once, unfortunately, it would really take our housing prices to a tough place. So we're kind of watching that as far as the economic front. Of course, Europe continues to be a trouble spot. Ireland was just downgraded earlier this week. So there's just not a lot of positive economic news, and I like to be an optimist, but I also have to be a realist at this moment and say, kind of tough.
Okay, and we know that it's an up and down game. No positive news right now, but on the upside, the stock market keeps going up. Any explanation?
Yeah, it's been a pretty good 30 to 45 days in the stock market. The stock market always anticipates and looks ahead, and right now they're probably looking ahead a little bit to the election. The perception is it'll be more business friendly with the results that could be coming in. They're also taking a look at earnings, and corporations right now are flush with cash. They've really cut their labor costs significantly, as we know. That's why unemployment is so high. Revenues are flowing in, so they have their costs low, their revenues are solid, and so they're pretty flush with cash, and that's going to show up in earnings reports that will probably start hitting the market in reality sometime, mid-month to the end of October here.
Okay, and you obviously give advice, financial advice, for a living. What free tips can you give our viewers this morning?
Well, we want to be very diligent in analyzing things like your 401k statement. You'll probably be getting your third quarter 401k statement. Really dig into the numbers. There are asset classes that are performing during this whole economic malaise, and so I want to encourage viewers and those who are investing in retirement types of accounts, don't just accept that, hey, these are bad times, push the statement into the drawer. No, take it out, analyze, scrutinize, and make sure you know your numbers.
Okay, Kurt, thanks a lot for joining us this morning. Your information on the screen, that is. People can give you a call if they've got any further questions. There it is right there, 515-327-1020, and there's a website as well. You can check